Is your Facebook ad payment method rejected by Facebook, or you're just looking for a solution to make international payments online? Then SATS virtual card will work for you. This virtual card is not only working for Facebook ad, but virtually all your international transactions online. In this video, I'll show you how to set up the SATS virtual dollar card, and after I would have walked you on how to install this particular app on your phone. If you watch this video to the end, I will show you 2 fantastic ways to make money with this app without doing anything. Seriously, with the first way, you could make up to $1,000, and though you may not make up to that amount with the second way, but you will also be making something significant. And when you consider the fact that you are really doing nothing serious, then you really want to give it a try. Just watch on. So you will need me to help you, so make sure that you watch every bit of this video, because if you jump it, you will still have to come back to watch. Before we start, let me just calm your mind. If you want to be sure if this virtual dollar card is legit, I did my research, I tested with my own money, and I can say that this app has come to stay. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to your app or Play Store and search for SATS app. This is it here, so I'll go ahead and install the app. Once the installation is complete, tap open. This is just showing me how the app works. I'll just keep tapping next. You can just tap the skip option. Okay, so because I'm a new user, I will tap the register option. I will add my valid phone number. A verification code will be sent, so I will just leave this SMS check option so I can receive the verification code via SMS and tap next. I will head over to my inbox for the code. Here is it. I will copy it and I will come back to my app and paste it here and then tap verify. Okay, my phone number is verified now. The next thing to verify is my email. So again, I will add a working email. Again, a verification code will be sent to my email inbox. I will locate it, copy it, and come into pasting in the app here, and again I will tap verify. Here my first and last name must be added, so you can add your middle name, though it's not compulsory, and then click next. I will confirm my name. I will add a date of birth. I will add an address, though I don't think this is important. Okay, here guys, I want you to go to the video description and copy my referral code and add it in here. Thank you. So once you do that, you click next. Here, this tag is more like your username thing, so just add in a name that you won't forget and then click next. Okay, here is where to add your PIN. Make sure you use a 4-digit that you will not forget and then submit. If you have made it to this point, congrats, your SATS app is now active and it's time to add money. So what I will be doing here is to add some amount in Naira. So one good feature of SATS app is that it will show you the Naira to dollar exchange rate before you go ahead to complete your transaction or to make payment. So as a demonstration, I will add about 11,000 Naira, or let's say 11.5. I want a figure that will be rounded up to at least $10. So I'll click add cash here. I will type in the amount I want to add. As you can see here, 1 USD is around 1,070 Naira, so I'll just add 11k and then tap deposit. As you can see, 11,000 has been converted to $10.28, so I'll just tap deposit. So I am to just add the account details that I'm making the transaction from. Then I will tap pay. I'll tick the 2 boxes here and confirm. You can read the agreement if you like. So here, you won't be paying directly to the app. You will have to pay in through one of their agents. So all you have to do here is to copy the account details that the app generated for you and then pay into the account that is being provided. Make sure you copy this order number and paste it into the remarks section of your own bank app when you're trying to make the payment. So to copy that, just tap in the copy icon here and then go paste it on your paying app. I'll go ahead and do that right now. confirm payment. So once your transaction is successful, you go back to your SATS app and then tap the pay button, and in just a few seconds the payment will be confirmed. So I'll just wait for the remaining 2 circles here to turn green. And once your payment is confirmed and converted, then you will see your money here reflected in USD. If you want to make withdrawal, just click the cash out button here. So let me tell you the first way to make money with this app, because SATS app is currently running a promo. If you lock your money or you save your money for between 1 week to 3 months, you will win some cash. The minimum you can lock is $10. So since I really don't want to do anything with the money for now, I will just lock it for 1 week to qualify for the bonus drop. To do so, I'll come in here and click the save to win button. I'll click participate. I'll select 1 week here and I'll tick the agreement box. You can go for a month or 3 months if you wish. I'll tap the create dream lock and so qualify to participate for the bonus. Close. And as you can see, you can make even up to $1,000 if you lock your money for some period of time. So before I show you the second way to make money from this app, let me quickly show you how to create your virtual dollar card, since that is what we are actually here for. So to create your virtual dollar card here is easy. All you need to do is to come here to card section and tap it. Then as you can see, this card will cost you $2 to create. I will not be doing that right now because I already have another card here. So once you have your cash in your wallet, just go ahead and click the apply now, and then the card will be created for you, and then you can go ahead and use the details for your Facebook ad, your Google ad, or any international transaction that you want to use this card for. It works perfectly. And now to the second way to make money from this app. It's interesting to know that you can actually use this app to make money. So what you want to do here is that you want to deposit and keep your money and watch how the dollar increases. So how to make money here is that you really can deposit your dollars and keep it and watch as your dollar price increases. If you live in Nigeria, you know how dollars to naira rate is increasing every day recently. In fact, I made deposit of dollars into this app, and in just 2 weeks the rate has risen, and when I made a withdrawal I actually earned more. So it all depends on you. If you like, you can also give it a try. So these are the ways to make money from this app, and if you are not interested in making money, of course, go ahead and use your virtual dollar card. If you enjoyed this video guide, please reward it with a like so that YouTube can suggest it to more people who need information like this. And for more digital marketing and make money online tips like this, subscribe to this channel and turn on the alert bell so you get to know when I release my video. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.